My flip,
Yeah.
my flip when I flip them over and stuff, I'm hoping that came out good. A lot of times when I go inverted, you really can't see
No.
because it's so high up. So
Yeah, I
it
guess.
takes a little more nerve to do it here, and plus the sun was on it just right, so you could really tell it was inverted.
Right. Oh, look at that, direct crosswind.
Of course.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Direct freaking crosswind.
Get past the truck.
I'll go on the single though. This is unbelievable. But here we go. That's what works, they say.
Damn, quick. Damn.
That wind's all over the place. Still try to kite it down. I see a truck coming, so now wouldn't be a good time for a landing.
He's a ways down. I'll let you know when he's at the flag.
Yeah, this is sketchy. She puts it into a gust and then it goes out the other side, it's almost in a stall.
Yeah, I noticed it fucking a lot when I was there.
Coming between that open and those trees. If it's slightly crossed in any direction at all, I'm going to catch a rotor. I better be ready for it. Not a bad knife edge.
No, I was watching that. It was good. These guys that fly their helicopters could do that on a helicopter, right?
Yeah, I never understood. How the hell are they doing that?
I have no idea. I don't.
Well, that's kiting pretty good right there. Not too bad. She ain't going too fast.
Knife edge and it stays.
Okay. Practice an approach, see what that's going to look like. Greaser! Well, that was 2 greases in a row, and I'm almost out of time. Quarter throttle there. And dead stick now. No throttle.
Nice.
Can't end on that.
I like that Hummer right there right before I take off.
I got 2 greases, I couldn't end on a bounce. And my timer's rung off. Yeah. She don't want to turn against the wind. Oh, yeah. As you see, she handles herself quite well.
Boy, I'm glad the landings were pretty good. You know,
Not bad.
I like that one where they bounced up and just hovered there.
Yeah, it's just hovering there. So well, see, let's go run out of speed and kaplunk. I stabbed the throttle. I said I could go around. Oh, this one's fun. Because, like I say, I can put this in the truck, and no matter what the wind is doing out here,
flat.
If it's directly across the runway, I mean, it's a bush plane. There's land on gravel, rocks. It's a good all around. And it flies, yeah, it's pretty docile, and I feel comfortable with it in the wind.
That's the thing, you gotta be comfortable with it.
Yep.